Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a very fun vlog because you and I have so much to catch up on. I know I keep saying this because every time I make a vlog, I catch up with you guys thinking like I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna be consistent, and then life gets in the way. But I mean it this time. We have so much to catch up on. I'm officially 25 now, which is insane. I thought it'd be fun to like share with you guys some things I've learned through my 25 years of life, share some little bits of wisdom with you guys. I just want to hang out today because I know I've been a little MIA. This summer has just been really crazy for me mentally. Let's start off with the fact that I'm moving. So I want to give you guys a little moving update because most of my apartment, as you can kind of see, is packed. That's pretty much all I've been doing like this past weekend. In case you didn't know, I'm moving apartments, nothing crazy. I'm still living in Orlando. My new apartment is fairly close to where I live now, so like nothing really changes. I think if anything, I'm moving further away from where I live, but I think I'm moving closer to Disney. I am moving to a new town. I feel like I'm in Animal Crossing, like I'm starting over. I'm moving to a new town, but it's like, it's all the same at the end of the day. So it's not like that crazy of a move, but oh my gosh, I got to tour my actual unit yesterday, and I've never gotten to see my apartment, like my exact apartment before moving in. Every time, like for this apartment, the first time I saw my unit was the day of move-in, which is so scary because you never know, like, what if your neighbors are really loud? What if the walls are really thin? What if your lighting is horrible and you have a huge tree blocking all of your natural light? Like, you just never know those things. And so I got to see my actual unit, and it is beautiful because I was kind of nervous. You know, all these thoughts were going through my head of like the what ifs, but I got to see my actual unit and it is beautiful, and I feel so much better about moving, and like my view is beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And so my official move-in day is tomorrow. I get the keys tomorrow. I just got my lease today, so I need to sign that, send that back so I can get my keys tomorrow, and then the movers are coming on Wednesday, and that's gonna be a whole separate vlog, by the way, just like moving vlogs and all that stuff. I am so excited to share that process with you guys. Today, we're just hanging out and I'm just updating you guys on my life. And I do want to go to Magic Kingdom today, if that's okay with you guys. I thought it'd be fun. I feel like I could use a break from moving, and I've just had a lot going on in my mind. I've been thinking a lot, overthinking a lot, lots going on. But before we go to Magic Kingdom, I want to show you guys my apartment and what it looks like now. So ignore any of the mess because it is messy, but that's just moving. So like, I'm gonna have to put, oh, I forgot about the tapestry. I might get rid of that tapestry, honestly. I don't really like it. So I'm gonna put all that in a trash bag and it's just gonna be moved day of. This is like all my belongings, like my bedroom stuff, and then this is all my moving supplies. So as far as my bedroom, everything is like kind of like packed and where it needs to be for the most part. Just like the little things won't take that much, but I do have to take all my clothes out of my drawers and put them in trash bags, so I'll do that today or tomorrow. But my room is like pretty much in good shape-ish. And then here's what my bathroom looks like. All of like my drawers are almost empty except for just like immediate things I need, but everything else is empty. Like the only things I have are just, you know, things that I might need in my everyday life, but for the most part everything is pretty much empty. Yeah, okay, it doesn't really look like I've made progress now that I'm showing you everything, but just know I think I've made progress. I do have to do my closet. That is the one thing I've been dreading, is like, you can kind of see like putting trash bags over all my clothes. It's not gonna take long, and I've had a few friends offer to help me, so I'm kind of thinking tonight might be, or not tonight, tomorrow night might be crunch time. Hopefully maybe like a friend or two can come over and like any little thing we can just take care of. But yeah, just gotta get all those in trash bags and then we'll be good to go. This is the last time I may ever complain to you guys about my apartment lighting, which is such a blessing to even say that. So yeah, ignore the yellow. We are in here for two reasons. One, I want to make a coffee, so let's do that. I haven't made a coffee in a long time. I feel like the downside to moving is like, once you kind of pack up all, I was saying, once you pack up all of your dishes and silverware and cooking utensils, like, you just kind of have to go out for every meal. I do have these Essential Perk cups from my birthday last year. So this is, I mean, it's a perfect coffee cup. And then all my straws are gone, but I found this little starfish one. That is so funny. So this is my coffee. And 2, I have to take my vitamins. Really just trying to get a lot better at like putting the right things into my body. And I kind of talked to you guys about this a few months ago because I feel like we all could benefit from putting certain things into our bodies. Like the vitamins and supplements I need is probably different than what you need, just based on how we live our lives and different lifestyles and what we eat, etc. And that is why I love Care of so much, who is actually the sponsor of today's video, because they make it so easy to find out exactly what your body needs to just help you live a happier and healthier life. Care of is a subscription service that ships high quality personalized vitamins, supplements, and powders to your door every month. Made from good for you clean ingredients that are backed by the latest science and research so you can feel good about what you're putting into your body. These are my vitamins of the month this month, and I love that they come in a little container with a 30-day supply. They're so cute. They say, "Hi, Emily." And I actually am taking different supplements from the last time I talked to you guys about Care of because I felt like my body just needed these at this time. So in this month's supply, I have magnesium and B12. The packets are also sustainable. In addition to my vitamins this month, I also got this plant protein powder because I've been really trying to incorporate a lot more protein in my diet, and this is just so easy to incorporate into like my yogurt bowls or my smoothies. And then Care of also sent this little thing called a gut check, which is on-the-go probiotics for digestion. So you can take Care of's quiz and see what vitamins and supplements they recommend for you. Click the link below, or you can scan the QR code on the screen and use my code Enchanted50 to save 50% off your first order with Care of. I still have so many like little things. I still have to pack that. Gotta find a box to fit that. But like all the cabinets I think are empty except for like little things, you know, just so that way I'm not like, yeah, see, it's like the cabinets and stuff are kind of empty. I also have to clean everything. So tomorrow I'm gonna like get my keys and move like my like personal things, like the things I just want to physically move, kind of like start the process. And then the next day is the movers. So on Wednesday is like my first day sleeping there. Tomorrow's my last day sleeping here. And then after that, I think I have, oh my gosh, I have 3 days to like clean this apartment, like deep clean, Swiffer, all of those things. I think I can do it. I really think I can do it because I've kind of just blocked this week off to do nothing other than moving. So like, I think I can do it. And then this is like my office. So again, it looks kind of cluttered, but everything is packed away in the best way that it can be. And then this is my living room. This is like PR and stuff. These are my birthday flowers that my mom gave me. They're a little dead now, but you know, beautiful. So yeah, that's kind of like the shape of everything I'm in. I felt like I was really in really good shape until I showed you guys, and now I'm second guessing it. But I'm just really trying not to stress about this move because I will stress about it. But like, even if not everything is perfectly packed up, like all I really need is the movers to get the big stuff, like my bed, my dresser, my vanity, all that stuff, because I cannot do that. As long as the movers can get the big stuff, I can take care of the little things that I leave behind. Okay, time to pick out a little outfit for Magic Kingdom. So most of my ears are packed away, so I don't think I'm gonna wear any ears. Today is Disneyland's birthday, so I thought it'd be fun to wear like a Disneyland t-shirt. I have this one. I feel like I need to steam the shirt a little bit. The socks are kind of atrocious. Oh wait, I did find a pair of white. Literally, I have no socks right now. Hold on, I'm gonna steam the shirt and put on white socks. I have to touch up my makeup. I don't. Dude, this literally sums up my life. Just before I was about to leave for Magic Kingdom, I found out my dog Jax had passed away. It wasn't a complete shock, but was absolutely devastating. He passed away on his birthday at 13 years old after a long and happy life. After many tears, I pulled myself together and I did go to Magic Kingdom. I had a nice night with my friend Michaela and it helped get my mind off of everything. I can't help but feel that every time things are looking up, something bad happens. That's kind of been my life these past few years. But all we can do is keep going and keep learning. Because even if it doesn't make sense now, everything truly does happen for a reason. In the end, I know it's all going to be okay. So if it's not okay, then it's not the end.